Memorial Day 2025. Got a mess out here. Got the grill started, a big green egg. So we're going to slap this. I got some pre-mixed seasoning from McCormick. You know, garlic and all that stuff that comes with it. And we'll end up putting barbecue sauce on there, Sweet Baby Ray's. So I get my fire going, started slowly. Then I dump it with a ton of chives. Why wouldn't I? I thought the wife was going to help me here. So the damper's half closed. And you can see a slight little smoke coming off of here. Okay. And the one next to it is fine. And she's going to put the ribs on here, baby backs. And just a slight little, yeah, just a slight little smoke. And we'll close the egg down. This might be the last year for the egg, folks. It had a big hole in the bottom. And I patched it with a mortar, some fireplace mortar and a fire brick. As long as I don't take it over 800 degrees, I think I'll be fine. So we're on 25, 26 years on this egg. And she's on her way out, but we'll make the best of it. So we'll close this down and let it sit at 140 degrees, 150 degrees for a while. And then we'll boost the temperature up when we put the sauce on. We're like 4.5 hours in on these ribs. At about 180 degrees, slowly. They're starting to burn up on the bottom a little. Give them a little flip. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Send them off to the side a little bit more. And we'll end up cutting the damper down a little bit. Give it a little squirt of juice on the back side there. And we'll close her down. So, damper's almost closed. Running about 180 degrees or so. Not too bad. The wife's been planting stuff. All our tomatoes and stuff are in. Whew. And here's politically cranked up. This is the honey brown that we brewed, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago. We have that on tap. Excuse me. The honey, or the 7 naked lemons are carboning up. And we brewed the mango. Memorial mango is in the fermenter for the 2nd, 3rd day. So this beer is really good. So like I said, the beer is really good here. The wife is planting flags for the 13 American soldiers who died in Afghanistan with the disastrous Joe Biden withdrawal. And she don't want to be on camera, but she's wearing the American flag, so I got no choice but to leave her in this as she plants them in the honor of those 13 brave service members who perished. And may God rest their souls. That's the back side of the ribs. Oh boy, flame up. Got a flame going. We've been on for 5, 6 hours. We're bringing it up to hotter temperature now. Oh, yay. I'm going to use less of the sauce here. That's it. And we're going to let this cook for another half hour. I'm going to take it off and time to enjoy. Falling off the bone, broken up. Nice. I think 6.5 hours is good enough. These things are falling apart. Oh boy, it fell right apart. I love it. They're supposed to fall off of the bone when you lift them up in the middle here. Come on. Oh, and it broke. They're done, baby. You know they're done like that. So, in the house with some homemade potato salad that the wife makes all the time. I didn't show that one. That's award-winning. She had an award-winning recipe for that one. So, we'll be back after these messages. How you doing? Not the best video photograph, but the wife made her award-winning potato salad, American potato salad, and the ribs are just falling off the bone. Awesome tasting. Happy Memorial Day, folks.